Dispatch 29, drone in the air.
We're demonstrating our drone program. The drones that we're flying are DJI Mavic 3 Enterprises. One of the challenges with our department is just how vast our jurisdiction is and the amount of rails that we need to cover. We have very remote places that are hard to get cars to, get officers out to. If we have a situation where you don't want to necessarily put one or two officers in there by themselves, the drone can go ahead of the officers, identify problems, and lead the officers into the area safely.
So the last information I've been given is the suspect ran southbound down through this field, and so now it's basically a game of hide and seek.
By using the drone to be able to stationary stop at a certain spot like this station here and fly down and check the next station, which is a mile or two down the track. Same way going the other way. I can check areas of tracks and front runner line that we never had access to unless an operator or one of the trains saw something.
So I'm going to keep it in thermal. Let's go check out this next structure. Dispatch 29, first structure pipes are clear. There's some modular capabilities of this drone where if you look on top right here, this is actually a articulating spotlight. The camera on front right here has a 56 times optical or digital zoom. It also is a thermal camera, so it picks up heat signatures. Dispatch 29, I got movement and railroad ties. You see the crosshairs right there? Now I'm going to take a peek in thermal. Do you see movement there? These drones help us safeguard the people who visit our properties, the people who ride our vehicles and use public transit.